how easy it is right now to create a 3D printer business? Like literally, why are you watching this video? Go do it. Like right now, literally a few years ago, if you wanted to start a 3D printing business, you had to be a 3D printing nerd because you were going to buy a machine, maintain a machine, fix a machine, decide what material you were going to use, go through all this work. And then if you were actually successful, then you were going to have to build a print farm, grow a print farm, maintain a print farm, and pack boxes the rest of your life until you die. But you don't have to do any of that stuff anymore. You don't even have to understand how to do CAD necessarily because so many tools have come about right now that it is zero effort to create a 3D printing business outside of the effort of creating the business and learning how to sell the product and make a good product. But let's talk about how much easier it is right now. So you used to have to design the part, which means you would have to pay for an expensive software, and then you would have to learn what CAD is, which is just a skill. It's a skill like learning how to edit a video or edit a photo. It's kind of tough because there's a bunch of buttons to click on the side of one of those things. But right now, today, there are many 3D model generators that will make cookie cutters, night lights, lamps. The AI generators will make miniatures and figurines and dragons, and it does not take more than like 1 or 2 hours to learn how to use these softwares to create something really cool like a phone charger. We have done a video where we created a phone charger in about 15 minutes in a rush that looks like an alien, and that is pretty tough to do and was impossible just 2 years ago. So you can create 3D models that are printable, but then, oh, you have to get a 3D printer to make it. Yeah, it's probably a good idea to get a 3D printer to kind of prototype stuff, but they're so good right now. You can just buy the machine, and in about 15 minutes of pulling it out the box, it will probably run the print just fine. And if you're getting material from that manufacturer and everything else, you'll know everything will work with itself and will be quite decent. You don't really have to know how the machine works. It will just kind of work. So you can get a prototype out the door. Yeah, but if I have to sell a bunch of parts, then I'm gonna have to get a bunch of those machines and now I'm packing boxes and my life is miserable. No, that's not even necessary anymore. You don't have to build a print farm anymore. There are services like Teleport where literally within 15 minutes, you can plug your Etsy store into about 1,000 3D printers so that whether you sell one part or you sell 1,000 parts, those printers will fire up and make them. And that service is free. Once you sell a part, you have to pay for the part to be printed and shipped. But before that, there is no cost at all. It is totally free to get set up and connected. So there is zero outlay anywhere along this. You technically don't even really have to purchase the 3D printer in between. You could get rid of that, take the 3D model generator, and just have it rendered as a 3D model and use those as product photos, just so long as you're being honest. But you can do all of this for zero cost. And you can go from nothing to an idea, to a 3D model, to a giant factory supporting you with basically no cost at all. And that was not possible 6 months ago, but is possible right now. It has never been easier to create a 3D printed product. But now this is the proviso. You don't want to make a bunch of AI slop. You need to do a good job. So it's still important to design products that people want, that are reliable, that create value. So even though all these tools have made it really easy to create that stuff, you, as the creator, still need to make something useful and good, and not just the first pass garbage crap that something spits out. You need to refine it and think about it and understand those steps so that you can take the most advantage of them and actually create something useful. But you don't have to turn yourself into a beast of burden by your business being successful. It's a lot like writing a book. You can write a book and then publish, and you have no idea how those books are bound, but there are 10 million books sold. Your idea is the thing with the value. So now, with all of these tools making it really easy to publish that book, you can create all kinds of awesome things, and you don't have to worry about all the hassle of getting it made, because that can be handled by somebody else. So now, knowing that it has never been easier to create a business like this, what are you going to create? And you should probably do it right now, because starting is 90% of the trip. Have a great day, everybody.